Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes climbed, lifted by Nvidia and other tech-related stocks, while steelmakers surged after US President Donald Trump said he would impose additional 25% tariffs on steel and aluminium imports. Circle's USD coin reached a $56.3 billion market capitalization, erasing the losses it sustained during the most recent bear market. The $56.3 billion market cap represents a 23.4% increase from the $45.6 billion measured on January the 8th. OpenAI is pushing ahead on its plan to reduce its reliance on Nvidia for its chip supply by developing its first generation of in-house artificial intelligence silicon. The ChatGPT maker is finalizing the design for its first in-house chip in the next few months and plans to sell it for fabrication at TSMC.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 13:55 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 21:30 GMT. The US 3-year note auction at 18 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 11 GMT. Japan's money supply M2 plus CD at 23:50 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 0:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.